Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Start with the face frame of the Easy Reach base with the grooves on the back of the face frame facing up. Line up the L brackets so the backs are facing the groove on the back of the face frame. Use your drill to attach the L brackets with the small pan head screws. Connect the two face frames at the bottom and fasten together with the included black sheetrock style screws. The piece of the face frame with the long straight piece will be part of the top of the cabinet. Slide the floor of the cabinet into place on the face frame and connect with the two L brackets on the bottom of the cabinet. Begin with one side panel and slide it into place, ensuring that it is flush with the top and bottom of the face frame. Then fasten with the two L brackets on the side of the cabinet's face frame. If you would like to add more stability, we recommend fastening two additional L brackets where the floor and top panels meet the sides. Complete the same steps with the other side panel. The back consists of 3 panels, 2 side back panels and 1 center back panel. Start with one side back panel and slide it into place. The grooves should line up for the panel to be flush with the top and bottom of the cabinet. When the side panel is in place, fasten it to the top of the face frame with your drill and one of the black sheetrock style screws. Then, using your nail gun, insert nails in a few points to connect the side back panel to the front side panel as shown. Complete the same steps for the other side. Next, let's move on to the center back panel. Slide it into place on top of the 2 side back panels. There will be some wooden wedges included that will help you achieve the correct angle. Keeping these wooden wedges in place, locate the pre-drilled holes on each of the side back panels to secure the back panel by screwing into the wooden wedges with the black screws. Secure the 2 toe kick panels together. Then use your nail gun to install them onto the cabinet. Flip the cabinet up so it's standing correctly. Place the cabinet doors face down on your work surface and apply the included rubber door bumpers. These will help prevent denting the finish when we attach the doors to the face frame and keep the doors flush with the frame. Insert the soft close hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of each door and use your power drill to fasten them with the tapered edge screws. The hinges should align with the pre-drilled holes where you will fasten the hinges with the shorter pan-style screws. Insert your shelf pins into the holes at your desired height and carefully angle the shelf panel into place. Congratulations for completing your assembly. Stand back and enjoy your beautiful new cabinets.